Alright, ang first position natin ang Team Lena. Ayan na si Rambukan. At the baseline, the baseline. 2-0, ating score. Australia, number 1. Finds Mabanza, number 20. Crencia pulls the 3. Short ng tira, recovered by Cosino. One go, rebound by JC. JC Marana penetrates and a score. Australia finds Crencia at the baseline, puts it in. Bokatoy setting up the play, finds Repuka, pulls the 3. Overshoots. Rebound na yan ang Team Tanod sa Australia. Hooking up, drop pass. Overshoots kay Mabansag yan. Kuha ni Humangit, long pass to Sampang. Sidestep. Won't go. There's a foul. Committed by number 19. First personal foul. Sampang. Who's foul? Number 3. Number 3 is fouled. Repuka, first personal foul.
Lagyan mo ng team foul, idol. Lagyan mo din ng team foul. Ang pagsulat mo ng score yung 2, wag 1. 2 points, 2 points. 1 lang ilagay mo pagka sa free throw.
And the second one is goal. Air ball.
Dalawang foul ng Team Lena. Na-foul si Sampang. Na-foul si Sampang, na-foul si Rabukan. Dito ang dalawa.
Avanza to Crencia. One goal. Rebound by JC Marana. Rebuka to Boktoy. Short. Recovered by Rebuka. Rebuka hesitates. Side step. Pulls. Overshoot. Rebound by Crencia. Cosino. Cosino. And there's a foul committed by number 8. Number 7 is fouled. Oktoy. Number 4, Cosino forcing the offense. One goal, rebound by Humangit. Pinasa kay Rebuka Numikot. Breaks. Scooping the shot. Puts it in. What a beautiful penetration made by Rebuka. Australia to Avanza. Pulls the 3, overshoots. Rebound by JC. JC number 13 from the downtown. Tapos yan. Same ball possession. We call them high IQ basketball played by Sampang.
Upo ka lang, anak.
Sampang inbounding the ball. Finds Boktoy, hesitates, pulls for a winner, puts it in. Our score is 8-3, 7 minutes, 13. Australia setting up the play, looking for his teammates, finds Crencia, pulls the trigger from the downtown. Wala yan, na-rebound pa rin yan ni Babansag, forcing the offense at the baseline. One go, well-defended basketball by the Team Lena. Repuka penetrates. Short ang tira. Rebound Australia to Crencia, hesitates in the paint. Finds Cosino at the baseline. Puts it in. Oktoy. Oktoy cooking up. Finds Sampang. Sidestep, short. Well defended basketball by the team Thanos. Osino. Finds Crenshaw at the baseline. Yes, sir. Mabasa isang labangan. Behind the back pass to Sampa. Puts it in. And there's an injury. Timeout tayo. Injury timeout. Substitution ko na yan. Team Thanos. Natapilok yata siya.
Ano
Bigyan
mo
mo
na?
lang 2 minutes. Substitution, idol. Substitution, para ano.
Drake.
Tulungan niya yung kasama niya no, sa bench. Tulungan niya sa bench para maka-relax.
Hindi ko nakita yung nangyari. Patayo pa ba siya? Tapilok. Sakit.
Kapilok si idol.
Tapilok.
I-relax mo muna yung paa mo, idol. Tanggalin mo muna yung sapatos mo siguro. Alright, back to the ball game. Sino papalit sa kanya? Sap na lang, idol. Sap.
Drake. Baba kayo, baba.
Palitan mo na lang.
Yung number 8, ang taon din namin dito yung tsaka sa Villa.
Oo nga kasi
Hindi nga din.
wala siya sa line. Wala siya sa line.
Tabi kayo.
Crenshaw, Estrella, penetrates, finds the wrong man, out of bounds. Era si Boknoy, penetrates, goes. Ibaw na yan eh. Wala pa rin yan, nakuha niya eh. Osino pulls the three. Biglang. Deadlock tayo sa net. Sampang forcing the offense and there's a foul. Committed by the number 18 is fouled. Sampang will be awarded for 2 bonus.
Drake, huwag kang kitakit.
First one is good.
Kupulang na, kupulang.
Second one, won't go. Rebound by Casino. To Estrella. Estrella hesitates, pulls, short. Rebound by Humangit. Humangit crossover, finds Sampang, spins to JC. Puts it in. Beautiful jumper per meter shot by JC Maranan. Our score is 13-10 in favor of the Team Lena. Time remaining 5 minutes, 2 seconds. Crenshaw pulls the 3-1 go. Rebound by Humangit again. Humangit, drop pass to Rebukan. Sampang overshoots. Rebound by Humangit at the baseline. And there's a foul committed by number 0. Jersey number 0. First personal foul. Si ano, era Leo Presa. Leo Presa. Humangit, inbound in the ball. To Rebukan. Back to Humangit at the baseline. Overshoots. Rebound by Crenshaw. Drop pass to Leo Presa. To Estrella. Behind the back pass of Casino. Puts it in. What beautiful isolation. Offensive basketball by the team Thanos. And I see Boknoy penetrates. Recovered. Puts it in. Time remaining 4 minutes 18. Our score is 12-15.
Kulang. Lagay mo yung kulang dyan.
Crenshaw
Gagalaw-galaw kasi mo.
setting up the play, finds Crenshaw. Short ang tira. Out of bounds. Yan si Boktoy, humangit. Finds Rebukan for the three. In and out the bola. Rebound by Leo Caresa. Leo Caresa to Estrella. Penetrates. Overshoots. Rebound by Boktoy. Crossing the midcourt. Penetrates. Flies. Short. Rebound by Carencia to Leo Caresa. Drop pass to Estrella. Finds Crenshaw. Yes, sir! Knocks it in. Three minutes, 24 in this first quarter. 14-15 ang ating score. JC to Boktoy on the baseline. Puts it in. Beautiful perimeter shot by Boktoy. Making that score 14-17. Estrella now setting up the play, finds Ego, penetrates, forcing the offense, and there's a foul, dropping in violation. 3 minutes in this first quarter. JC penetrates, well defended basketball by Crenshaw. Estrella now penetrates, overshoots, rebound by Crenshaw, wala pa rin yan, nakuha pa rin yan. Estrella to Crenshaw, fakes, and traveling violation.
Dito ka na.
Kaya na si
Takbo.
JC.
Oo, sige, mag-cellphone ka na.
JC to Rebuka, need the paint, behind the back pass to JC. 10 to shoot, Rebuka. 8. Boktoy forced the 3. Short. Rebound by JC. JC pulls the 3 from the downtown. One goes still. Rebound by the team. Tanots. Yan na si Eko. Eko penetrates. Short ang tira. Buhay ni Boktoy to Sampang. Flies. Puts it in. Our score is 14-19. Time remaining 1 minute 50. Drop pass to Casino. Spins. Finds Eko. Bounce shot yan kay Eko. And as a Boktoy penetrates. Floats. One go. Rebound by JC. Fakes. Forcing the offense. Puts it in. Ayan na si Estrella, hinaharas ni Rebukan. Estrella penetrates. Scooping the shot, puts it in. What a beautiful scoop shot. Baseline shot made by Estrella.
Idol, hindi pwede maglaro yun.
Ay, hindi. Player namin sa kabila.
Pero mamaya, doon yan. Ingat kayo. Good luck.
We only have 54 seconds. 18-23 is the score in favor of the Team Lena. Estrella, crossover, iwan si Rebukan. Natapik yung bola. Out of bounds. Long pass to JC. JC spins, overshoots, rebound by Sampa. Rejected by Crenshaw.
Yun.
Nakuha ulit ni JC yan. Spins. Fade away shot. Wala. Recovered by Sampa. Short. Wow, magandang basketball. Wow. What's power? Number 3, Rebukan. We only have 22 seconds. Pwede kayo mag-time out. Maya na. Okay, tapusin nyo na yan. 22 seconds na lang tayo. 18-23. Estrella to Deo Cresa for the 3. Wala yan. Na-rebound ni Crenshaw. Nakuha pa rin ng Crenshaw yan. 20-23 ang ating score. Sampang to Boktoy. Boktoy pulls the 3. Out of bounds. That ends the first quarter of this tournament 2023 in favor of Team Lena.
Ganda rin na.
Oh, may pass na yan. Alin, bilangin mo dito, Aiden, yung score. Bilangin mo.
Okay na. Our official score is 20-24. We are now in the second quarter of this game. Semifinals, game 2. Between Team Lena and Team Tanots. And this time is brought to you by Shop More, Fridays, Coco Lemon, and Easy Mini Mart. Back to the ball game.
Tatakbo ng takbo ah.
Tanots ball. Crenshaw inbound to the ball.
Hindi, guys.
Crenshaw. Throws the three. Short rebound by Deo Estrella. No look pass na walang bola. Out of bounds.
Tabi kayo. Matamaan kayo ng bola.
Caleb to Boktoy. Boktoy to Caleb. Finds Sampang at the baseline. Spins, fakes.
Ah!
Rejected ni Crenshaw. Aris Estrella. Finds Cosino. Forcing the offense. Kung ano yung makakit yan, libre na yan si Sampang. Paxere. Estrella to Crenshaw. Short. Rebound by JC. JC to Caleb. Caleb to Humangi. To Caleb. Forcing the three. Short ang tira. Recovered ni Caleb. Finds Sampang at the baseline. Sampang still. To Boktoy. Fakes the three at the baseline. Perimeter shot. Wala pa rin yan. And recovered by Cosino. From the team Tanots, Cosino setting up the play, looking for his teammates, finds Kabansag to Deo Caresa. Yes. And to shoot. Yes, Crenshaw. Tumira short. Rebound pa rin ng team Tanots yan. 4 to shoot. 2. And a score. 22-26. Caleb, back to Humangit. To Caleb, to Sampang. Finds Boktoy at the baseline. Scooping the shot and a score. 22-28, the adding score in favor of the Team Lena. 7 minutes 53 in the second quarter. Cosino fakes the three, pulls the trigger from the downtown, overshoots. Rebound by Sampang. JC Maranan setting up, finds Boktoy. Boktoy penetrates, floats, puts it in.
Rek, wabak yan!
What a beautiful isolation. Offensive basketball by Boktoy, making the score
Baba kayo, baba!
22-30.
Uy, baba kayo!
Australia finds Cosino in the paint phase, pulls the trigger. One goal recovered by Crenshaw. Puts it in.
Rek!
Crenshaw to JC. JC cooking up. And the shoot. Finds Boktoy. Pulls the three from the downtown. Short. Rebound by Crenshaw. Kenneth Crenshaw hesitates. Penetrates. Puts it in. What a beautiful penetration made by Crenshaw. Ayan na si Sampang in the paint. Floater shot. Overshoots. Rebound ni Boktoy. Wala ba yan? Humangit. Fadeaway shot. Wala. Recovered by Sampang. Out of bounds. Ball will be in favor of Team Tanots. 6 minutes 23. Our score is 26-30 in favor of Team Lena. Alright. Nakuha yan ng Team Lena. Team Lena.
Hindi na maka-carry over, idol, yung timeout na una. Hindi isang timeout lang yan. Fourth quarter lang ang dalawa.
Sampak forcing the offense, natapik yung bola.
Dami silang ano hindi nasushoot.
JC Marana pulls, overshoots, rebound by Crenshaw.
Bantay sarado sila.
Our score is 26-30 and Cosino. And there's a foul. Time out! Team Lena. Our score is 26-30. 5 minutes, 32 in the second quarter.
Huwag kayong makit mahulog kayo. Ay, tawagan ko na si Kuya Harry.
Bakit?
Ang kulit ni Greg. Nakakit sila. Sige.
Drake, doon kayo sa States. Doon kayo sa States.
kayo sa States,
Doon
maglaro.
kayo sa States.
Dali nyo yung bola dun na.
Hindi, tumalsik yung bola dito. Tatalsik yun. Back to the ball game na ito.
Dyan na lang sila kaysa mag-akit-akit dito.
Alright, back to the ball game. We are now in the second quarter of this game. 5 minutes and 32 seconds.
Ikaw, Aliyah, huwag ka
left
nang
in this second
sumali
quarter.
dun, ha?
26-30 our score.
Ikain ka.
And this time is brought to you by Coco Lemon, Reyes, Easy Minimart, and Captato Reyes. We'd like also to acknowledge our sponsor, Mr. and Mrs. Hayes. Cosino facing the first free throw. Our next game for tonight will be between Team El Toro and Team Ipos Lasers. We are now in the semifinals game 2. And as Boknoy penetrates, forcing the offense. Puts it! Boknoy. Boknoy to Leo Carreza. Leo Carreza to Crenshaw. Pulls the trigger. Short yan. Rebound ni Boknoy pa rin yan. Boknoy pulls the trigger from the downtown. In and out. Rebound by Echo. Tukabansat. Crenshaw. Crenshaw finds the Roman. Caleb steals the ball. To Boknoy. Rabanal forcing the offense. Rejected by the Team Thanos. And si Tio Carreza
Bantay sarado.
finds Kabansan at the baseline. Puts it in. 1-8, 32. Favors Team Lena. 4 minutes 35. Umira si number 7 for the 3. Rebound. Boceros. Out of bounds na walang bola. Time remaining, 4 minutes 19. Humangin. Long pass to number 7. To Humangin. To Boknoy. Spins at the baseline. Overshoots. Recovered by Boceros. Rabanal. Overshoots pa rin yan. Recovered ni Boknoy. Drop pass to Rabanal. To Boknoy. Boknoy spins. Walang bola. Nakuha ni Kabansan yan. Nakuha pa rin ang Team Lena. Humangin. Pulls the 3. Overshoots. Kuha ng Team Lena ang bola. Team Lena steals. Boknoy pulls the 3. One go. Rebound by Crenshaw. Crenshaw, long pass to Echo. Losing the ball. Out of bounds. Substitution.
Big fit.
Substitution Leo Carreza out and in. Our score is 28-35. Time remaining 3 minutes 29 seconds. Out of bounds. Balik ang bola sa Team Thanos. Thanos. And si Idol number 3. Finds Casino. For the 3, in and out, recovered by Humangit! Rebound ng humangit yan. Crossing the midcourt.
Pantay.
Alep. To Boktoy for the three. Wala yan. Out of bounds.
Malat.
Substitution. Substitution. Pasok na.
Pahingayin muna.
Warning number 19 for the game.
Warning number 19. Delay the game. Substitution na. Sige na. Pasok na. Para. Substitution.
Bakit?
Sige, basketball.
Rensha. Tutanka. Tantan. Rapaso Cosino. Finds Estre. Nakabansag. Tutantan. Pulls. In and out. Rebound by Humangit. Humangit crossing the midcourt. Drop pass to Moseros. Fakes. Puts it in. What a beautiful slick basketball.
Yun.
Too fast. Too quick by Moseros. Converting that shot 28-37. Yan na si Tantan. Finds Echo. Forcing the offense. Won't go. Kuha ulit ng team. Tanots yan. Crenshaw. Penetrates. Two-hand shot. Puts it in. Bumaba ng 7 points sa palamangan ng Team Lena. 2 minutes in the second quarter. Rebukan. Nabanal for the 3. Won't go. Rebound by number 18. Mutantan. To Crenshaw. Finds Cosino. Wala pa rin yan. Anderson foul. Committed by number 7. Substitution. Pasok na. Substitution. 1 minute 43. Session ng Team Lena yan. Libre. Sila pa na.
Sige, pagka netball.
Yan na si Idol Tan.
Nanonood si
Tan finds Crenshaw from the downtown. One go. Recovered by the Team Danuts. Cosino. Time out. Lena. Pasok yan sa tira ni Cosino.
Tama ba yung score? 30?
Our season official score is 32-39 in favor of the Team Lena. 1 minute 14 in the second quarter. This time is brought to you by Coco Lemon Fridays, Easy Mini Mart Shop More, Top Toto Reyes, and our valued sponsors Mr. and Mrs. Hayes and Mr. and Mrs. Fernandez. Back to the ball game. We are still in the second quarter of this game. Time remaining 1 minute 14.
pupunta dun sa kanila.
Our official score is 32-39 in favor of Team Lena.
Di ka sasama bukas gano'n.
Boktoy finds Rebukan in the paint, scoping that shot. One go, rebound by Sampa. And there's a foul committed by Hismore. Number
18.
18, foul number 18. Sampang will be in the line for his bonus. 2 personal foul, second personal foul na yan, number 18. And the first one is good.
Dito ko lang po lang.
Second one go, recovered, rebound by Echo. Echo to Estrella. To Mabansa, fakes to Echo, number 18. Nawala ang bola. Out of bounds. Balik ang bola sa Team Lena. 52 seconds left. Rebukan, cooking up, side step, Sampa to Boktoy. Boktoy penetrates, forcing the offense. One go, recovered by Sampa on the baseline. And there's a ball, committed by number
20. Ha?
is followed number
20?
20. Number 20 is fouled. Sampang will be at the line again for his bonus. And the first one is good. Second shot, short, recovered by Human. It's scooping that shot, puts it in. Antan, cooking up, side step. Drop pass, sumabansag, pulls the three. One go, rebound by Sampang, nawalang bola, same ball possession. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to play na lang tayo. We are now.
Yeah. Halika dito na.
Antan forcing the offense, one go, rebound by Humangit, 8 seconds to shoot, 7. Rebuka, long three, one go, recover, Sampang, wala pa rin yan. Well defended basketball by the team Thanos, and that ends the second part of this game. Our official score is 32-43 in favor of Team Lena. We are now in the second half of this game. Semi-finals game between Team Lena and Team Thanos.
Tayo.
And we still have a second game for tonight's exit. Semi-finals between Impos Lazarus and Team El Toro. This time is brought to you by Toto Reyes, our honorable captain dito sa Barangay Turo. Alright, back to the ball game.
Aliyah. Tayo. Ayan. Nangyari. Away yung ano sa loob.
Change court na tayo. And ang Team Lena finds JC, fakes, pulls, one go, rebound by Crencia. Crencia to Deo Carreza, pulls the three from the downtown, number shoot, short pangkira, rebound by JC. Musampang, libre na yan, fakes, pulls up, one go, rebound by Deo Carreza. Deo Carreza to Crencia. Crencia pulls, long perimeter shot, one go, short ang tira, rebound by Rebukan. Rebound to Sampang, finds JC. JC pulls, perimeter shot, in and out. Rebound by Estrella. Estrella finds Stan, side step, pulls the three, puts it in. Rebound! Tantan converting the shot, making the score 34-43. Tumira sa Rebuka, one go, rebound by Crencia. Crencia against Rebuka. To Deo Carreza, fakes, jumper shot, using the court, one go. Recovered by the Team Lena, Sampang to JC. JC to Boktoy, pulls the three from the downtown, short, recovered by Sampang, back to Boktoy, penetrates, and a foul, committed by number 19 is fouled, substitution, Cosinoy, echo out, Boktoy will be the line for his bonus free throw. And the first one is good.
18 na.
Number 18, Echo, third personal foul. And the second one won't go. Sampo na ang kalamangan ng Team Lena. Na si Bostantan pulls the trigger again. Overshoots, rebound by Rebukan. Rebukan to Boktoy. Behind the back pass to Sampang. Wala yan. Well defended basketball by the Team Tanuts. Cosino pulls the trigger from the downtown. 3 points. 3 points yun, idol. 3 points. Number 3, Rebukan.
3 points yun, ito. Sakto yung score natin, ha? Sakto. Okay, 3 points lang, sorry.
3 points yun. Who's foul rep? Number 5 is fouled, Crenshaw. And the first one is good. Second free throw is good. Our official score is 37-45. 7 minutes 46 in this third quarter. Estrella. Ayun na si Humangit. Humangit crossover to Rebukan. Baking. Robin. Struggling violation. Ayun na, si Tantan. Goes Tantan. Fakes. Finds Crenshaw. Pulls. Perimeter shot. Won't go. Rebound by Humangit. Humangit to Boktoy. Crossing the midcourt. Setting up the play. Finds Rebukan.
Hindi pwede doon.
Rebukan steal.
Ihingalin ka. Ayan mo sila doon.
Walang tira. Recovered by the Team Lena. JC.
No. Diyan ka lang.
Humangit pulls the three from the downtown. In and out. Rebound by Crenshaw. Crenshaw to Cosino. Pulls the trigger. Wala pa rin yan. Na-rebound ni JC. JC to Rebukan. Rebukan. Cooking up. Rebukan still. Looking for his teammates. Finds JC. Pulls the trigger. One down. Na-rebound na yan ng Team Thanos. Crenshaw now. Dribbling the ball.
Thanks.
Penetrates.
Palit ka na.
Finds Cosino. And there's a foul committed by number 13 is fouled.
Tama na ha. Gusto ko to makailaro. Gusto ko.
12 seconds to shoot. Tantan. Tantan hesitation.
Tapos inom ka maraming tubig.
Australia fakes the three. Nawala ang bola. Hindi. Boktoy.
Isang baso.
Na yan si Rebukan. Rebukan. Lumipat na yan. Si Our score is 37-48
Okay na rin yan.
in this third quarter. 5 minutes 37 seconds.
Kaya nawala hika ni Dre
Tantan
kasi
penetrates, finds. And there's a foul committed by number.
Baka si Immune.
Pero bounce lang ako. Natabig lang yung bola.
Oo, siya yung ikain nun, di ba?
Bumabansa. Mabansa.
Pagpatong niya ng 7 na
Libre na
wala.
si Crenshaw. Puts it in.
Dapat kasi magiging yung bago para
Rebukan. Rebukan to Sampang. Pulls the trigger in the paint. Won't go. Rebound by Crenshaw. Crenshaw steal. And a steal by Rebukan. Rebukan. And there's a foul. Substitution. Foul number 21. Substitution.
Kain ka nga. Di ba sabi ko, huwag ka tatakbo-takbo?
Sampang impounded the ball. Bumangit na sakpang na baseline. Rejected. Ball defended basketball by the team. Thanos. Ay na si Tantan. Finds Ego. Casino pulls the trigger. Won't go. Recovered by Crenshaw. Puts it in. Mabasak ito. Ang kalamangan ng Team Lena. Ayan na si Casino. Penetrates. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. Ayan na si Casino. Casino. Crenshaw. Puts it in. 5 na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Lena. In this third quarter, 4 minutes 28 seconds. Moktoy pulls the trigger, won't go, rebound by Cosino. Cosino, tumabansag, to Tantan. Ayan na si Tantan, to Crenshaw, pulls the trigger, short, recovered by Cosino, puts it in! Refuman, mabasa tatlo ang kalamangan. Time out! Time out, Team Lena. Backward.
Time out na ba kayo sa third quarter? Time out na kayo?
Hindi pa. Wala pa kahit.
Wala.
Wala ba kayo? Sige, meron pa kayong dalawang time.
Anong third?
2 times.
Support.
Support. Dalawang time dalawa.
Our score is 45-48. Team Thanos is down by 3 points. 3 minutes 57 in this third quarter. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Time out ulit. Okay, time out ulit.
Time out na.
Wala na. Wala nang time out ang Team Thanos. Kayo, wala na rin. Parehong wala. Tigda dalawa kayong time out sa fourth quarter. Oh. Wala na silang time out, ref. Parehong team, alright? Fourth quarter, may tigda dalawang time out.
Sa second lang tatlo yun. Pwede niya gamitin lang sa third, pero wala na sa support.
Ganun ba? So pwede pa sila mag-time out.
Pwede. Hanggang dalawa pa.
Gagamitin niyo yung fourth.
Wala na sa support.
Okay.
Pwede nyo gamitin pala, pero mawawalan kayo ng time out sa fourth quarter.
Tatlo na lang. Tatlo na lang habulin nila.
Team Thanos are down by 3. Team Thanos, Estrella. To Tantan. Cosino, Echo forcing the offense at the baseline. Puts it in. Papasa isa ang kalamangan ng Team Lena. 3 minutes 41. JC, to Boktoy, nawala ang ball. Ako ulit ng Team Thanos yan. Ayun na si Boss Tantan. Boss Tantan penetrates. And there's an offensive foul by Tantan. Warning for penalty ng Team Thanos. Ayun na si Rebukan. Rebukan ay silang bola. By the team. Ayun na si Tantan. Finds Crenshaw, pulls. One goal, rebound by JC. AC.
Wala na. Ay, save daw.
Pagkano? Pagkano?
JC forcing the offense. One goal, rebound by Tantan. Tantan setting up the play. Tantan looking for his teammates. Finds Cosino. Cosino penetrates. And there's a foul. Substitution. Substitution either. Who's the rep?
Naglaro
Number
na pala
25 is
yung
fouled.
kapatid. 25 tsaka yung...
Casino will be in the line for his two
Ito
free
5 at
throws.
saka 25. Naglaro na. So, nakaraan wala.
Kasi silat pa sila.
Ha? Oo. Kaya nga eh.
Cosino. Number 4. First free throw is good. 10 block tayo sa 48. 2 minutes 50 in this third quarter. And the second one is good. Biglang kalamangan na Team Lena. So the Team Lena are now in favor of 1 point. Team Tanots, I should say. And nice kill yan ni Cosino. Cosino penetrates and there's a foul. Foul number 7. Substitution, pasok na. Third personal foul, si number 7. Back point. Cosino will be in the line for his bonus. First one won't go. And the second one, yes. Wala yan, na-rebound ni Huma.
Kasi kung manalo sila Tantan, meron silang knockout game.
Ah,
Knockout game sila.
Ayan o, si Rebukan.
bantay ng sarap.
Drop pass to Sampang. Sampang at the baseline, forcing the offense. And there's a foul committed by number 18. Number 18. Penalty situation, ref. Penalty situation, ref. Fourth personal foul, number 18 substitution. Fourth personal foul, number 18. Sampang will be the line for his bonus. And the first one is good. Second one, won't go. Recovered by Humangit, forcing the offense. Short ang tira. Kuha pa rin niya ni Humangit. Ang Draymond Green ng Team Lena. Pero si JC. And to shoot. Caleb forcing the offense. Pulls the three. Won't go. Recovered by Humangit pa rin yan. Draymond Green. To Caleb. To Sampang at the baseline. Overshoots. Recovered by JC. Puts it in. Balik ang kalamangan sa Team Lena. Our score is 59-49. 51-49 ang ating score. 1 minute 38 seconds. Pagkat na yan. Gracia. One down, number 25. Back to Gracia. Back naman yan. To Cosino. Force the three from the downtown. Short. Rebound by Rebukan. Drop pass to Sampang. Penetrates. And there's a foul. Substitution. Foul number 3. Penalty situation, ref. We only have 1 minute 18 seconds left in the third quarter. 49-51 ang ating score in favor of the Team Lena. First one won't go. And the second one. One goes still. The rebound ni Cosino. Cosino to Gracia. Gracia, tumabansa. Pulls the three. Overshoots, rebound by Rebukan. No pass to Caleb. Caleb finds Stacy. Nawalang bola. And there's a foul committed by number 19 is foul. Our score is 49-51. Penalty situation.
Penalty na rin, wala pa.
Isa pa. Wala pa tayong penalty. Gracia to Tantan, pulls the three from the downtown, overshoots. Rebound na isip ni Sampang. Sampang to Caleb, libre na si Caleb. Short ang tira. Ayan na si Gracia. Gracia to Cosino. Cosino umikot in the paint. Wala yan. Na-rebound pa rin ni Cosino. Puts it in! Deadlock tayo, 51 all.
Ganda ng laban.
Time remaining 22 seconds. Rebukan. Recovered. Puts it in by JC. 16 seconds to shoot. Roll. 10 seconds. Gracia. 6. Cosino. 4. Passer na lang marinig nyo. And that ends the third quarter of this game. Our score is 51-53 in favor of the Team Lena. We are now in the fourth quarter of this game. This is the semifinals between Team Lena and Team Thanos. Kung sakaling manalo ang Team Thanos, magkakaroon pa sila ng knockout game. Pero kung manalo na ang Team Lena for tonight, they will advance for the finals championship. This time is brought to you by Shopmore, Easy Mini Mart, Fridays, Oco Lemon. Would I also acknowledge the presence of our sponsor, Mr. and Mrs. James. And of course, our honorable Cap Toto Reyes. Back to the ball game. We are now on the last quarter of this semifinals battle between these two incredible teams. Lamang pa rin ang dalawang Team Lena. Gracia pulls the three, puts it in! Lumamang na naman ang Team Thanos ng 1 point.
Galing yan.
Balikatan lang. Ayan na, si Rebukan. Rebukan, humangit, forcing. Won't go. Iba by Tantan. Looking for his teammates. Tueko. Tukrencia. Hesitates. Forcing the offense on the baseline. Overshoots. Rebound by Humangit. To Rebukan. Rebukan. Rebukan still looking for his teammates. Finds Boktoy. Pulls the three from the downtown. Wala yan. Recovered by Sampang. Overshoots. Rebound niya ni Crencia. To Cosino. Cosino.
Tabi kayo to. Ayan mo lang.
Cosino. Crencia. Deo Caresa. Pulls. Short. Rebound by Boktoy. Boktoy, naghanap ng mahusahan niya. Boktoy steal, penetrates, finds JC, libre na yan, puts it in! What a beautiful basketball by these two incredible teams, 55-54. Balik ang lamangan sa team, Lena. Ano si Gracia coming up. Finds Casino in the paint, spins, forcing the offense, Mondo, rebound by Boktoy. Long pass to Rebukan. Rebukan. To Sampang. Scooping that shot. And there's a foul made by Antan, number 3. Substitution.
Tatlo na.
Third personal foul. Antan, number 3. Number 3, third personal foul. Sampang will be in the line. Where's bonus? Our score is 54-55. Lamang ang team Lena. And the first one is good. Second one. In and out. Won't go. Rebound by Cosino. Cosino to Estrella. In the paint. Penetrates. Finds. Echo. Back to Crecia at the baseline. Using that board, recovered by Cosino, puts it in! Baseline shot by Cosino, deadlock na naman tayo sa 56.
Ayaw pareho magpatala.
JC Marana finds Sampang, Sampang finds Humangit, drop pass to Sampang, scoops the shot, won't go, recovered by Sampang, and to shoot, for the shoot, Boktoy penetrates, wala yan, rebound by Humangit, and there's a foul, was foul rap, out of bounds na, alright, walang foul. Wala na ang team Lena yan. Drop pass, and was foul up number 25. Foul number 25. Substitution. Substitution.
25.
Pasto. Rebukan. Short ang tira. Yan na si Estrella. Estrella. Pennant place. Nawalang bola. Out of bounds. Kicking the ball. Yan na si Boktoy. Boktoy. Naghanap ng pamasahan. Boktoy. To JC, and there's a foul committed by number 1 is foul. Estrella pushing foul. Number 1 is foul.
Na-shoot yun? Na-shoot.
Yeah.
Oo, na-shoot.
And as in JC, forcing the offense. One goal, offensive. Foul number 13. Second personal foul, number 13, JC. Our score is deadlock. Deadlock tayo sa 56. 7 minutes in this last quarter. And as a Crenshaw.
Sayang din.
Crenshaw, cooking up. Drop pass to. Nakuha ni Rebukan. Rebukan. Rebukan to Sampang. Sampang. Recovered. Puts it in. Lamang na ang tinglera. And as si Tantan finds Cosino. To Crenshaw. Crenshaw at the baseline. Pass to Crenshaw. And there's a foul committed by number 19 is fouled. Ilan na? Third personal foul, number 19. Crenshaw will be the line.
Sub. Hindi siya.
First one, one go. And the second one is go. Pabasa isang labangan ng Lena. 6 minutes, 10 seconds left.
Tao-tao.
Ayan si Rebukan. Pakay sumangit. Nawala bola. Rebound by Crenshaw. Crenshaw. To Estrella. To Cosino. To Crenshaw. Overshies. Rebound ni Rebukan. Rebukan still. Hinaharas si Rebukan and there's a foul by Crenshaw, number 25. Pushing foul. Penalty situation. Pero mag-sap. Wala pang penalty. Sorry, wala pang penalty. Idol, wala pa. Warning for penalty. Wala. Warning for penalty. Yan si JC. JC hinaharas. Pati kumaulang bola. To Rebukan. Makes the pass. Rebukan. To Sampang. 7 seconds to shoot. JC Maranan. Lower shot. Puts it in.
What's up?
What a beautiful isolation shot. Saved by JC Maranan. And as a Crenshaw forcing the offense. To Estrella. To Crenshaw. Back to Crenshaw. Pulls the 3. Overshoots. They found the JC. JC. JC cooking up. Looking for his teammates. Finds a market. 10 seconds to shoot. 7. 5 seconds to shoot. Boktoy forcing them. And 3 points. Boktoy.
Bata.
Yan ang score natin. 63.
Our official score is 63. 57.
Time out daw. Pagkano?
Basket timeout tayo 8 seconds. Crenshaw, post. Wala yan. Na-rebound ni Humangit. Hinaharas si Humangit. Long pass to Rebukan. Rebukan to JC. Libre naman si JC. Puts it in! Time out! Team Thanos.
Ilan na lang yan? Isa dito. Dito.
Alright, Team Thanos. Isa na lang ang time out nyo. Team Thanos. Team Lena, dalawa pa. Our next game will be between Team El Toro and Team Kipos Lasers.
Yun mo nga yung bata dun, oh.
Hoy! Hoy! Hoy,
Tigil.
yung bata dyan na maingay! Hey, hey, hey!
Ay, naisab. Yung mga bata talaga. Ay, palo.
And he got caught with it.
Ay, hi. Hi, Phil.
Alright, back to the game. 57-65 ang ating score. In favor of the Team Lena. Crenshaw, number 5. Crenshaw. To Tantan. Cosino. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. Crenshaw forcing the offense. One goal. Overshoots. Rebound by the Team Lena. Boktoy. Boktoy. Almost losing the ball. Rebukan na yan. Rebukan.
May oras pa.
Rebukan to JC. JC. Boktoy. Pulls. Out of bounds. Kaya si Crenshaw. Crenshaw to Cosino. Echo speeds. Losing that ball. Nakuha na naman ng Team Lena yan. Boktoy, libre na yan. Puts it in. 3 minutes remaining. 57-67. Sakto
Oras
ng
na.
lamangan ng team. Ayan na si Crenshaw. Lumipad. Puts it in. Ganda ng pasahan. 59-67. Rebukan is milking the time. And to shoot. Rebukan. No, Boktoy pulls the three from the downtown. One go. Recovered by JC. Lauter shot yan ni JC. Puts it in. Bumalik sa 10 kalamangan ng Team Lena. Team Lena, yan na si Tantan. Hooking up. Tantan. Tantan still pulls the three. Short ang tira.
Ay,
Walang bola. Same ball. Out of bounds tayo.
10 na lamang na gamitan ng oras.
Balik sa 10 kalamangan ng Team Lena. 2 minutes remaining.
Para diretso na sa...
Yes, 2 minutes. Team Lena is milking the time. JC Maranan pulls the trigger. 4-meter shot. Won't go. Recovered. Rebound by the team.
1 minute na
Thanos. Team Thanos. Oh, Cosino. Pulls the three. Puts it in. 3 ball. Time out. Time out. Biglang bumaba ng 7 ang kalamangan ng team. Ayan na.
Gamitan ng oras.
We only have 1 minute 37 seconds in this last quarter. Our score is 62-69 in favor of Team Lena. And this time is brought to you by Local Lemon Fridays, Shop More, Easy Mini Mart, and Top Toto Reyes. Meron pa kayong tigis ang timeout, both teams. Bumaba sa 7 ang kalamangan ng Team Lena. Plena is cooking up, milking that time, burning that time. 8 seconds left. 5. Drop pass. 2. Nawala ang bola. 2 seconds to shoot na lang yan. 2 segundo lang. Tumira si short. And there's a out of bounds. We only have 1 minute 13. 62, 69. Echo. Echo to Crenshaw. Crenshaw. Rosino. Naghanap ng mabasahan si Rosino. Rosino. Forcing the 3. 1 go. Recover by Crenshaw. Puts it!
Gamitan nila nila oras.
Zampa. JC Marana. Baba sa 5 ang kalamangan. Naipit si JC. Ipinasa sa kalaban. Out of bounds. Balik sa. Pero pakibigis ang timeout. 38 seconds. 64, 69. Ayun na si Tantan. Tantan to Crenshaw. Crenshaw pulls the 3 from the downtown. Rebound! Babasa! 2 kalamangan. And there's a foul. Penalty situation na. Penalty situation. Babasa 2 kalamangan. Ang ganda ng laban.
3 points sila kaya.
Penalty situation.
Penalty daw. Masot niya pa dapat 2.
And the first one is good.
Apa?
And the second one is good. Time out! Time out, team Tanuts. 4 ang kalamangan ng Team Plena. We will have 26 seconds left in this last quarter of this semifinals basketball between these two critical teams.
Wala.
Idol,
Apat na lang. Pag na 3 points.
Idol ha, wala tayong 14 shot clock ha. 24 automatic yan. Wala tayong 14 shot clock. Automatic 24 seconds tayo.
Pag na 3 points pa nila yun.
Crenshaw. No Tantan. Crenshaw. Crenshaw. Finds Crenshaw at the baseline. Out of bounds, 17 seconds left. Wala pa tayong penalty. Number 19 is foul. Who's foul up? Number 19 foul. Fourth personal foul, number 19. Sampa. Crenshaw inbounded the ball. So Crenshaw pulls the 3. Puts it in! Rebound! Time out! Time out sila. Time out, Team Plena. Papasa 2 ang kalamangan with only 15 seconds left in this last quarter.
Ay, oras na lang. 15 minutes na lang. 15 seconds na lang eh.
Okay, that is 3 points. So isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Plena. 15 seconds left.
Wait, nakawin kayo.
Wala nang timeout pareho.
Wala nang timeout pareho ha, both teams. Wala nang timeout. Both teams, no more timeout. We only have 15 seconds left.
Gamitan na ng oras.
Ball and intense basketball between these two
Para kahit lamang isa.
incredible teams. 70-71.
Tao-tao lang.
Ayun na si Humangit. Humangit, tubok Toy. Penalty situation tayo. 13 seconds left. Number 18. 5 fouls, number 18. Graduate na si number 18. Number 18, 5 personal foul. Boktoy will be in the line for his bonus. We only have 13 seconds left in this fourth quarter. And the first one won't go.
Dapat hindi niya i-shoot yan. Para yung oras lang.
And the second one is good. Wala na pareho. Timeout. And there's a foul. Wala pa tayong penalty. Last foul na lang. Wala pang penalty. Ang time, 10 honest. Listen. Graduate number 19. Graduate number 19.
Graduate 19.
Ano yung, yung referee ang sundin natin. Referee ang sundin natin. Referee. Sila magdidesisyon. They are the official officiating. Alright. 5 personal foul. Number 19 is out. Fifth personal foul. Number 19, Sampak will be out.
Wala nang oras.
Wala nang timeout parehong team. So there will be a bonus shot.
Mag-shot ko na yun.
Punta mag-overtime na.
Naku, mag-overtime na naman to. Kailangan di ma-shoot.
Anton will be in the line for his bonus shot. Pag may pasok niya ito, may tendency mag-overtime tayo. 9 seconds left.
Lamangan si Glenna ng
Kaya,
dalawa, di ba?
ha?
And the first one is
Sabi na nga ba
good.
eh. Overtime na naman to.
Nangangamoy overtime ito. 9 seconds left.
Pag hindi na shoot, pwede nila magbuhos ng oras. Pag kailangan shoot niya yan.
And the second one. Step forward, 5. Rebukan. 6 seconds. Nakita si Boktoy. To JC.
Wala nang oras.
What a beautiful showdown basketball by these two incredible teams.
Di ba sa
Isa lang
ito?
ang kalamangan ng Team Lena.